Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to build an online store on Wix but got stuck on how to actually add products, you're not alone. A lot of people get confused about where everything is or what to click next. The good news is, once you understand the layout, it becomes one of the easiest parts of building your site. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can confidently set up your store and start listing your own products. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're inside the Wix editor, not just the main dashboard. This is important because the editor is where you can actually add features to your site. Once you're there, go to the top left corner and click on the plus icon. This opens up the menu where Wix keeps all of its elements and apps. From that list, find the Stores section and click Add to Site. What this does is install Wix Stores, which gives your website all the core e-commerce features, like product pages, a shopping cart, and a checkout system. After the store app is added, Wix will automatically create a store page for you. You might notice that there are already some products showing up, but don't worry about those. They're just placeholder items, meant to show you how your store will look. You can delete them or replace them with your own products at any time. Next, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on My Business, then select Wix Stores. This section is basically your control center for everything related to your shop. It's where you'll add new products, edit existing ones, and manage how everything appears on your site.
To add your first product, click on Add a Product. You'll be taken to a setup page where you can enter all the important details, including the product name, price, images, and description. Try to make your product images as clear and high quality as possible, because visuals play a huge role in whether someone decides to buy. If you already have products or want to make changes later, you can click on Manage Products. This is where you can update prices, edit descriptions, organize your listings, or even turn products on and off depending on availability. Once you've gone through these steps, you'll have everything you need to start building out your store and adding more products over time. It might feel confusing at first, but once you've done it once, the process becomes really straightforward.
Hopefully this helped you understand how to properly add products to your Wix website and gave you the confidence to keep building. And that's it. If you found this video useful, stick around for more simple tutorials that make things easier without overcomplicating them. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.